Hey, hope everyone had a good Thanksgiving. This is going to be a real quick video. This is the Egan Performance air filter kit for the, I think he calls it the other models. So this would not be the 661 or the 500. This would be like, this is my 461. The ones that use a different style HD2 that has the screw on adjustment here. So this one I already have it fitted. It is a snug fit. Sorry, I'm trying to reach around the camera. It's not working here. So this is very similar to the other one. Let me actually grab one. I ordered a few from them. Once again, you saw my other video, comes with the uni filter. And then this model has the small hole as opposed to the larger one for the 500i and 661. So I did have feedback for Jason on this, and he said he was making a change in the production run, and I will demonstrate it here. So, once again, the thing I like about these is, you can use your stock cover on everything, right? You don't have to use the Max Flow style. So you can see I got it in there already. So what needed to be changed, and Jason said he's changing it, is, I'm gonna take you off the tripod here. Jason originally was not doing the hole large enough to fit over this little collar here. So he had them so it was just fitting over the thread, and then they weren't sitting flat. So I gave him the feedback, and he said he was gonna make a change in the production. You can see from the oil, we're getting oil all the way around, so we know we're getting a good seal. And yeah, basically all he did was just tweak the middle hole size so that it now actually fits over this little, I'll call it a sleeve, and flush. And now it sits perfectly on the plate here. We obviously removed the intake manifold, I think they call it. But yeah, this is the Egan all other still models. Get back in the tripod here. The first time you get this going, it took me a little effort to get it on, but you can see from the, we're getting a good seal. You can see the ring around the whole thing. This way here. So we're getting a good seal there. You can see it right there. But you can see this hole is now a little bigger when compared to that, just a tiny bit bigger. And then just slide it on. The first time it took a little bit of effort to get it, but it's on. Push, and then find your threads, and there we go. That's it. So once again, that's an oiled uni filter. It does go all the way flush, locks in. We'll be trying this out and seeing how it works, but seems to have a pretty good seal. Just that one correction I gave back to Jason that he said he was going to change. So any questions, comment below. Once again, for me, the big selling point on this is that I can use the stock filter cover. So once again, thank you very much. If you have any questions, just comment below. Thanks.